that a piece of gold? That is a piece of gold right there. See? The tip of my finger, little picker.
Oh, lovely.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, Sancho and myself, we are going to do some gold crevicing. We have got some nice, juicy, exposing bedrock in a very, very popular area, and we're going to show you what sort of gold we can accumulate for a few hours of just test panning and crevicing. I think that's a piece of gold right there. Is that a piece of gold? That is a piece of gold right there. See? The tip of my finger, little picker.
Oh, lovely.
I can't get it with my fingers. Oh, there's another piece of gold just there. Well, that's a good sign. There's definitely going to be gold in this pan. It's good when you know you're going to have gold in your pan. Oh, that's not too bad for my first test pan here. There's my finger as a comparison. Nice little piece of yellow candy. We'll get that into the snuffer bottle and go for round two. And what we shall do after our very next pan is start clearing back some of this leaf matter. And we've got a nice juicy crevice that runs down in the center of the creek here, which should hold some nice juicy gold. So wish me luck, and I will see yous in just a moment. Let's see if the bottom of that crevice was any better. There's some nice juicy chunky gold in amongst that, and we also got a lot of lead and a few pieces of iron that we will take out with us and do our part to clean up the environment. Next pan done, and have a go at all those little beauties. Got some more lead and all that fun stuff. And that just come from the bottom of this. So we're gonna have Sancho start at this end, and I'm going to continue on from this end, and we will meet in the middle. Stratify it up like that, and then zhuzh him out. Stratify, and then zhuzh him. Yeah. Let's get some of these larger rocks out. Oh, do a bit of iron. Alright, this is what we get out of this. Have a go at those. Got some nice pickers in there. A lot of lead, all this iron, not 100% sure, but I think that is a piece of pyrite. But yeah, nice chunky bits. All right, we'll have a look at Sancho's pan, have a gaze at all those. Look at that. There's my finger next to them. There's some nice pickers in there.
Great result.
Awesome. All right, place your bets. Have we got anything out of our last pan from this crevice in between Sancho's legs here? Sancho just bait pumped out the crevice I was working to see what sort of results I missed. And there you go. They're the, how many? About 7 pieces. About 7 pieces that I have missed with my bait pump. So what I am going to do now is continue panning out my last pan over here, and we'll see what sort of results I get out of that, and then we'll do a snuffer bottle dump and probably sign off from here. All right. Okay, let's have a quick snaky one-handed. I've got to get this on the right angle for you. Oh yeah. Oh, did little pickies. A few nice little pieces, another piece there. We'll add them into the snuffer bottle. I will just go back through all this, considering I just washed it back one-handed. We probably just washed a lot of the gold back with the lighter material as well. So I will get a nice up-close picture of it for you in a moment. But first, let's get my snuffer bottle. And we'll empty this bad boy out and have a look at our total for this particular area. Oh yeah. This is my total, just from this crevice just here, basically. I will give you a look at this gold all cleaned up once we are back at home and all that fun stuff. Oh, where's my other snuffer bottle from this morning? Oh, here we go. We'll check this bad boy out.
Oh yeah, you got coins.
Let's do this out. Now all this gold we got this morning, this come from our good spot that I do not film at. Look at it all. That's only, how many pans did I do this morning? Like 4 or 5, if that. Quite a bit of fine gold in there. Very nice. We've also got a sapphire. Also got some topaz. Another sapphire. Oh, another fragment of sapphire there. And yeah, a few gems in there. I'll give you a look at Sancho's total. That is some nice chunky candy there. Like, look at that piece.
Great spot.
Look at that. A little thickness on it. Very nice. But yeah, that's basically Sancho's total. But if you would like to see us out doing a little bit of gem fossicking, whilst we are packing up and heading on home, I'm going to cut back to early this morning when we first met up and started doing a bit of gem fossicking and goofing off and just prospecting around on the hunt for pretty decent areas to sort of prospect in. And I think by the end of today, we have found a pretty decent spot to work.
So just a bit of a technique for sieving gemstones. Your 2 sieves, 1/8, 1/4. This has been washed before, so I'll go through the larger ones at another point in time. But before you find it, ones you just put it into a line, rotate 90 degrees, jig it down, 90, 90, jig it down, then you should be ready for the flip. And then you flip it towards yourself, and there's the gem center.
That's some nice gems. There's sapphire there, sapphire, a lot of zircons, nice little sapphire there. Little baby one.
Rather than waste time out in the field picking all the little bits and pieces, you just scoop it off the top, put it into your poverty pot, and keep working those gravels.
Another spinel.
So N.S.W spinel, sort of locally called blackjack.
And they are what you will commonly find on men's jewellery, all those little black stones. That's what they use.
Yeah, they're a good replacement for onyx these days.
Yep.
And you know, they are a byproduct of sapphire mining. And we generally try and keep them these days rather than throwing them out.
There you go. If you liked what you've seen today, go down, give the video a big fat thumbs up for us. Would really help the algorithm out a little bit. And if you didn't like the video, just give it a thumbs down. I do not mind at all. Now, with all that being said, I hope you've enjoyed what we got up to. Peace, I'm out, and I'll see yous in the next video real soon.